Hello students, welcome to the classes. In this session, we will continue with MCQs on probability chapter. Let's see the first question. The probability that the leap year will have 53 Sundays is. See, leap year contains how many days? It contains 366 days. Now, if I divide 366 by 7, because in 1 week you will have 7 days, so how much you get? 7 5s are 35, 1 16, 7 2s are 14, right? You are left with 2. It means there are 52 complete weeks and 2 extra days are there. There are 52 complete weeks, 52 complete weeks, and there are 2 complete weeks and there are 2 extra days. Okay, now see, if there are 2 extra days, okay, let's take this way. If there are 2 extra days now, okay, now in how many ways we can select these extra days? Right, we can select these extra days what by in 7 ways. How? See, this is like Sunday Monday, or Monday Tuesday, Tuesday Wednesday, right? Wednesday Thursday, Thursday Friday, Friday Saturday, Saturday Sunday, right? I can select only in what? 7 ways. Now here it means the number output numbers, I mean the total number of what the event or the elements in the sample space here is what? 7, because there are 7 possibilities here. Now here they have asked 53 Sundays, right? There are 52 complete weeks. If we get one extra day, I mean let's say if we get one extra Sunday here, Sunday is here, right? Sunday Monday, and here also we have Saturday Sunday, here also we have what? Sunday, right? So in that case, okay, there are 52 Sundays already and you are getting one Sunday extra here, either this, okay, or this, any one of these two, right? So you will get what? 53 Sundays. Now in how many cases we have Sundays? We have Sundays in 2 cases, so total number of possibilities is 7. So which option? Option 2, 2 by 7, right? Let's see the second question. When a card is drawn, okay, at random from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards, the probability that it may be either king or queen. See, in the cards there are total 52 cards. How many kings you have? You have 4 kings and you have 4 queens, right? They have asked either king or queen, right? It means 4 plus 4, 8. So this is 8 by 52. Now 4 2s are 4 13s are. So what's the answer? 2 by 13. Which option? Option 3, 2 by 13. Let's see the third question. Okay, a bag contains 40 balls of the same shape and weight. Among that, 10 balls are white, 16 are red, rest are black. The probability that the ball drawn from the box is not black. Not black means what? If it is not black, then either it is red or it is white. How many red? 16 red, 10 white. Total how much? 26. Right. 26 divided by how many total number of balls are there? 40. So what's the answer? 26 by 40. 2 13s are, 2 20s are. So which option? Option 3, 13 by 20. Right. Now let's see the fourth question. There are 4 red, 3 black and 5 white balls in a bag. If the ball is drawn at random, probability that either it is red or it is black. How many red? 4 red. How many black? 3 black. 4 plus 3, how much? 7. 7 divided by total. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. So 7 by 12, right? Which option? Option 3, 7 by 12. The probability that at least one of the events A and B occur is what? 0.6. If A and B occur simultaneously with the probability 0.2, then P of A bar plus P of B bar. See, with simultaneously means P of A intersection B. They together happen, that is 0.2. At least one of the events, that means P of A union B. How much? 0.6. Now see, we know the formula P of A union B equals to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Right, this is how much? 0.6. P of A plus P of B as it is, right, minus this is how much? We have 0.2 minus 0.2 this side, 0 plus 0.2 minus 0.6 plus 0.2, you'll get what? 0.8. That's nothing but P of A plus P of B, right? But you want what? P of A bar plus P of B bar, right? What is P of A bar? 1 minus P of A, right, plus what is P of B bar? 1 minus P of B, right? 1 plus 1, 2. I'll take minus common in these two. Inside we get P of A plus P of B. What's the value that? What's that value? 2 minus that value is 0.8. So how much? 1.2. Which option? Option 3, 1.2. Right. Let's see the sixth question. Okay. Single letter is selected at random from the word probability. The probability that it's a vowel. See, how many letters? 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 2, 11. There are 11 letters. Okay, how many vowels? O is vowel, A is vowel, I. 4 vowels, right? So what's the option? Option 2, 4 by 11. It's very simple problem. Let's see the seventh question. Okay, so in a book of 100 pages, right, it means the sample space contain 100 elements. If a page is opened at random, probability that the number on it is a cube. See, tell me what are the cubes between, from 1 to 100. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125. Now here these are the 4 cubes you can select because this is more than 100, right? I will not consider this. How many cubes you have? 4 cubes. 4 divided by 64. 4 ones are 4 25s are. So which option? 1 by 25. Option 3. Right. Let's look into the 8th question. Now what they have asked? If A and B are two events in a sample space S such that P of A not equals to Z not equal to 0, they are given P of A bar B, right? They could have given this condition instead of P of A, they could have given what? P of B not equals to 0. Okay, now P of A bar B. What is P of A bar B? P of A bar B is given by P of A intersection B divided by P of B, right? So this is according to the conditional probability definition, right? So which option? Option 2. P of A bar B is given by P of A intersection B divided by P of B, because the denominator cannot be 0 here, right? Now let's see the 9th question. A card is drawn from a pack of 100 cards numbered from 1 to 100. The probability of drawing a number which is a perfect square from 1 to 100, how many we have? See, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, 10 square 100, right? And they are asking perfect square. How many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 we have, right? So 10 perfect squares out of 100. So what do you get? 1 by 10. Which option? Option 3, right? The probability that a randomly chosen number from the set of first 100 natural numbers is divisible by 4. See, in the first 100 natural numbers, how many numbers are divisible by 4? Just divide by 4 and check it. 100 by 4 is what? 25, right? It means 25 numbers are divisible by 4 in the first 100 natural numbers. So what's the probability? 25 numbers are divisible by 4. It means 25 divided by total numbers is what? 100. 25 ones are, 25 fours are. Which option? 1 by 4, option 4. Right. Let's see the 11th question now. The probability that a student passes in mathematics is 2 by 3. It means P of M is 2 by 3. Okay. He passes in English is 4 by 9. P of E is 4 by 9. He passes in any one of the courses is 4 by 5. P of M union E, any one of the courses means union, is 4 by 5. He passes in both is intersection. P of M intersection E is how much? We know the formula. P of M union E equals to P of M plus P of E minus P of M intersection E. Right. Now I'll take this, I'll just substitute here. P of M union E, how much? We have 4 by 5 equals to 2 by 3 plus 4 by 9, right, minus P of M intersection E. Now I'll take P of M intersection E that side, minus will become plus, right. Here you get 2 by 3 plus 4 by 9 minus 4 by 5, right. What's the LCM of 395? LCM of 395 is 45. 3 15s are, 9 5s are, 5 9s are, right. Now 2 15s are 30 plus 4 5s are 20 minus 4 9s are 36. I'll write the answer here. What's the answer? 30 plus 50, 30 plus 20, 50, 50 minus 36, 14, 14 divided by 45. That's nothing but what? P of M intersection E. Which option? Option 2, 14 by 45. Let's look into the 12th question now. Okay, so the probabilities that the two dogs A and B dying within 10 years are respectively P and Q. Then what's the probability that at least one of them will be alive at the end of 10 years? See, probability that one of them is alive, at least one of them is alive, at least one of them is alive, is nothing but what? 1 minus probability that both are dead, right? At least one of them means what? It's like probability of success. That's nothing but 1 minus probability of failure, right? Now here 1 minus, what is probability of a dog dies within 10 years? I mean within 10 years is what? P into, what is probability that dog B will die? Q. That's nothing but what? 1 minus PQ, right? Which option? Option 2, 1 minus PQ, right? Now 13th one, from each of the 3 married couples one partner is selected at random. Find the probability that all 3 are males. See, let's say we are selecting 3 what people here from, let's say there is a male and there is a female, male female, male female. Let's say these are the 3 couples. Now I am selecting one from them. Now what's the probability that here he is a male? Here the male probability is 1 by 2 because there is one male, there is one female. If you are selecting one person, if he has to be male, the probability is 1 by 2. Here also 1 by 2, here also 1 by 2. If you multiply all of them, what do you get? 1 by 8. Which option? Option 3. Here all of them have to be male, right? So what's the option? 1 by 8. Let's see the 14th question now. Probability that A will fail in examination, A will fail, I'll take P of A bar, is 0.2, and B is fail, B fails, P of B bar 0.3. Probability that exactly one of them will fail, exactly one of them will fail means if A fails, B passes, if B fails, A passes, right? If P of A bar is 0.2, what is P of A? See, he fails 20%, 0.2 is nothing but 20%, right? So this is nothing but 20%. So what's the probability that he will pass? 80%. That's nothing but what? 0.8. Now what's the probability that B will pass? This is 30%. So he will pass 70%. That's nothing but what? 0.7. Now exactly one of them will fail. Okay. exactly one will fail. One will fail is nothing but what? See, probability that A fails but B passes. I am writing B here, not B bar. B for success, I mean pass. Okay, these two are for pass, these two are for fail. Okay, right. Now A fails, B pass, or means here plus. Remember, or means plus and means what? Into. A fails, B pass, or B fails, A pass. So what's the probability? A fails here. A fails probability 0.2, but B passes into 0.7, right? Plus B fails here 0.3, A passes 0.8. If you multiply 0.14 plus 0.24, how much you get? 0.38. Which option? Option 1. Right. Let's see the 15th question. The key for a door. Okay. The key for a door to open is in the bunch of 10 keys. A man attempts to open the door by trying the keys at random, discarding the wrong key. Okay. The probability that door is opened at the 5th trial. See, if he is opening the door at the 5th trial, obviously it means that 4 trials he failed. Right. Now here, let's say there are 10 keys, right? There are 10 keys. Out of that, okay, out of that you have one correct key, right? And 9 wrong keys, 9 wrong keys, right? Now here you are trying 5th trial. He is opening the 5th trial. This is 5th trial. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th trial, right? So in the first trial he will fail. It means he will, out of 9 keys he will get 1, right? It means the probability here is 9 by 10 into, why? Because 9 keys and he will get 1, and after that he will discard the wrong key. It means how many wrong keys you are left with now? 8 wrong keys now, because he will discard it. 1 he will keep it aside. Now 8, again he will fail. It means 8 by 9, because 8 wrong keys now. Total is 8 plus 1, 9. Now again he will fail, leave it. Now you are left with 7 wrong keys, right? Now here what's the probability now? Again he will fail, 7 by 8, right? Now you are left with what? 6. Now again he will fail, 6 by 7. How many are left? I mean, how many you are left with now? See, first time he failed, 1 chance is done, you are left with 9. Okay, how many are left with wrong keys now? 6 are done, 5 wrong keys, right? First time he will fail, you will get 9. Second time you will get 8. Third time you will get 7. Fourth time you will get 5 wrong keys. But during 5th time, now total how many you have? 5 plus 1, 6 keys you have. But 5th trial he will succeed, right? Here he will succeed. Succeed means he will get the correct key. Correct key is 1, but total is how much? 1 plus 5, 6. Now multiply, 9, 9 cancel, 8, 8 cancel, 7, 7 cancel, 6, 6 cancel. What do you get? 1 divided by 10. 1 by 10 is what? 0.1. Which option? Option 1, 0.1.